Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make banana fritters. These are super easy to make and it's perfect when you have a sweet tooth, and these are made with sweet ripe bananas and it tastes so delicious. So let me show you how to make it. You're going to need 2 ripe medium bananas, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of milk. Start by mashing the bananas. So in a bowl of ripe bananas, use a fork to mash the bananas completely. Once the bananas are mashed, add in the brown sugar and mix till combined. Now it's time to add in both the flour, baking powder, salt, and 1/2 of the milk. Mix this till everything comes together. Then pour in the rest of the milk and mix till everything comes together again. You should get a thick yet loose consistency. Now let the batter rest for 5 minutes before frying. Place a frying pan on medium heat and pour in enough oil to fry the fritters. Once the oil is hot, carefully add a scoop of the batter into the hot oil. Allow it to sink in the oil and cook till golden brown on each side, but make sure to let the fritters cook on the inside as well. Mine took about 3 minutes to fry. Once fried, use a slotted spoon to carefully remove the fritters from the oil and transfer it to a bowl or a plate lined with paper towel. Continue to fry the rest of the batter and make sure to serve these fritters warm. These bananas are a perfect snack and also a great way to use up ripe bananas. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!